So I need to get these exterior fake spoiler things off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to unclip this cover. The way I do that is I'm going to get this so this is connected onto that piece of plastic, just broken out with a screwdriver, but it looks like, as well as this holding it onto the car and attaching it onto there, this whole thing is glued on. But first things first, undo this clip over here. If you've got a heat gun and you run the heat gun over this plastic before you go to remove it, it will make the jobs 20 times easier. If you don't have that and you've got a hairdryer, use that instead. This is also held down by glue.